This is a quick tutorial on how to make cake in the jars, or some people call them cupcake jars. As you can see, I've already I've already put my mixture of red velvet cake mix into the mixer, and I am mixing. During this process, just make sure that you clean the sides of your bowl and the bottom just to make sure everything is mixed up appropriately. Here I am lining my pan with parchment paper and using Baker's Joy for my coating. Some people use other types of spray or butter. I use Baker's Joy. It works for me. And I also uh, line my pans with parchment paper. It's just an added plus. Once your cake is completely done, it's just easier for it to come out. That's just my preference. My stove is set at 350 for 45 minutes. Depending on your stove, it may not be that length of time. And you just put it in the stove and let it cook. Okay, now I'm making my cream cheese buttercream frosting. I'm making that while the cake is in the oven, so I'll be ready once the cake is cool. Always remember to clean up your workspace as you go. It just makes it much easier at the end of your project. My cake is ready and I'm taking it out of the oven to cool. Just use some toothpicks to make sure that they come out clean and your cake is fully done. Now I'm starting to put together my cake in a jar. I have my handy dandy mini mixer I got years ago during Black Friday at Walmart, I think for like $10. It comes in handy for little projects. So I'm putting some cake over in the grinder, and just to make little bitty pieces for my decoration at the end. I'm putting in my frosting at the bottom, and I'm taking big chunks of cake and putting in a layer of cake, pretty big chunks of cake. And then once I get that layer in, then I will put in a layer of buttercream, cream cheese, buttercream frosting, like so. And then I will add, and make sure you put enough frosting because you don't want it to be dry. You want the person to have enough cake and frosting. I'm putting in some more big chunks of cake. And as you can see, I'm pushing it in. And it's better to push it in that way because you can get more cake in that way. That's why I said I rather do it that way than just a little small cupcake. You can get more in. And then I put a final layer of frosting on the top, and then I top it off with my little grind up pieces, little pieces there of red velvet cake. And that's it. That's all you really do. That's your cake in a jar. And you basically do the same thing until it's done. So you do all of them. As you can see, I have parchment paper lining down. It just makes it easier when it's time to clean up. I love parchment paper. Now I am decorating my little cake jar. I'm just using some Valentine's Day ribbon. You can use any kind of ribbon. I have a bunch of ribbon, different colors. So it just depends on the occasion. And then I have these little forks, wooden forks that I ordered from Amazon to stick down in there. And there's your cake jar. Quick and easy. These are shippable, by the way. I have different flavors that I have, and you can go to my website, click on shipping, and you can see all the different flavors I have. They come in different packs of 4 6 and 8, and you can order them. I ship worldwide. Cake in a jar. Thank you for viewing my video, and I hope you come back to view my next one. Have a great day.